What are you doing, dude? Come on.
So maybe that's why. What are you doing driving on the wrong side of the road?
Hold on, let me put on my seatbelt. Oh. Hold on, let me turn on my left blinker. Oh. Messed that up too. What else? What else have I done wrong? Besides only almost have a head-on collision one time in 3 days. Driving in Australia, mates.
What are y'all talking about? I don't even care. I need a photo with Drake because my Instagram is good.
Daddy, we're driving on the side, right side of the road, guys.
I'm letting you see.
This wasn't the best.
All right, we're right here at the back of where we're staying, the apartments. And here is the whole family. We got all geared up on bikes. We're missing one bike, so I'm gonna rent a Mo bike right down the street. We're gonna pick it up. We're gonna ride as far as we can towards Coolangatta from Mermaid Beach, and we'll see what happens. Let's do this. Good job, dude. Stay on the left, okay? When you see people, get on the left. Good job, bud.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard to pedal this thing.
You did great, Sayla. Look how far. Hey guys, we're rolling. We'll have the wind straight behind us on the way back. But let's keep going. Look at those views in back there. Flat fixed, back in business. Let's roll. Alright, just taking a quick stop here at the park. Just got into the middle of Burley and you can tell it's amazing. High trees, shade, boardwalk, beachfront boardwalk almost the entire way.
Glorious.
It's amazing.
Water, I know.
Having fun? Having fun, Luke?
Water.
You having fun, Nate? Hey guys, we're gonna drink water right up there at the park. There's a park at the end. We'll stop there. Huh? Not right now. We're gonna keep riding. We're gonna get up to Rob's house.
That wasn't bad.
This is the Burley Surf Club, I think. Maybe not. I think it is though. So we're waiting for Jude and Mom and Sayla to come down the hill right here.
They're gonna be like, ah.
Come here any second. There's a pretty cool little path.
I'm gonna guess. They're gonna be
Get
like,
over the bridge.
"Ow!" They're gonna be like, "Ow, girls." And just
No,
be like,
I bet you
"Ah."
Jude's gonna fly down there.
Get hurt.
Good job, sweetie.
I'm going closer to the sky.
Good job. Time.
Oh, Nick. Oh, you guys are too tall. He can do it because he's on a smaller bike and he's shorter.
Guys, get out of his way. Get out of his way.
My bike is under there.
What?
Can you fit in there?
Did you do that? Did you just do what I thought you did? Just rode under the side and ducked his head.
Whoa.
Oh, there's the accident. There's the accident.
Let's see.
All right, let's get back home. Let's roll. Doing great. On the way home, we've already ridden probably 7 miles. By the time we get home, it'll be 13 miles.
It's gonna be a long day. You have to hurry. You have to get there in an hour.
Yeah. That's the goal. Your seat looks too low. What? Woohoo, right here. You're missing it. It's right here. Woohoo, you did it. You did it, dude. You did it. Just park it right there. Hey, good job, bud. Good job.
That might be the most stressful thing. And the glorious thing all at once.
And take it down that corner where I just parked it. Woohoo, Luke's helping out with dinner. You guys had Sayla helping out with dinner. You guys had an amazing bike ride today. Hey, Nate, Jude, you rode 13 miles today. Are you tired? Are you tired? And you're still doing that. Alrighty then. I know you're gonna sleep good though. Hey, are you tired at all? Was that hard?
No.
Was it fun?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Alright, that was a long...
That wasn't hard.
That wasn't hard?
Fun.
That was a long day of riding. Alright, proud of these little kids.